Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 120. If we start with this box, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 3, 4. For this box, we're missing 4, 7, and 8. We've got a 4 here and a 7 here, so this is our 8. That 4 makes this our 7, 4. For this row now, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 4. For this row, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 3, 8. For this box now, we're missing 1, 7, and 9. We've got 7 and 9 here, so this is our 1. But I don't see any other help, so 7, 9, 7, 9. For this box, we're missing 2, 7, and 8. We've got a 2 here and a 7 here, so this is our 8. I don't see any other help. So 2, 7, 2, 7. For this box, we're missing 2, 3, and 7. We've got a 2 here, so 3, 7. 3 here, oh, 2 and 3 here. So this is our 7, that makes this our 3, 2. And that 2 makes this our 7, 2. And that 7 makes this our 9, 7. For this column now, we're just missing a 6. For this column, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 4. For this column, we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 5, 9. For this column, we're missing a 9. For this column, we're missing a 2. For this box now, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 5, 7. For this row, we're missing an 8. For this row, we're missing 1 and 7. I don't see any help. So 1, 7, 1, 7. For this row, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 3, 4. For this row, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 6, 8. For this column now, we're missing 5 and 6. Nope, that can't be right. There's a mistake somewhere because we are missing 5 and 6 here, but we've got 5 and 6 in this row already. All right, well, leave a comment down below if you see where I made a mistake. But that'll do it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.